Alright, boys. Basically, fucking tonight, I'm going to war. I mean, fucking locked and loaded. Ugh. You know what I'm saying? Like, pretty much fucking going to war, boys. Big time. I'm talking about, like, the war of the fucking century. World War II, pretty bad. Vietnam, pretty fucking bad. Afghanistan, pretty bad war. But tonight, I'm going to fucking war against the goddamn fucking Hornets. Jesus fuck. I'm gonna put in a little fucking video that I took about a week ago. Right now. Jesus fucking Christ. I go down into the goddamn engine room to put the batteries on charge and get chased out of there because these motherfuckers are swarming. Look at those cocksucking fucking waste of shit beings. Not good for shit either. There's fucking like 40 goddamn big goddamn wasp just fucking hanging out in there. There's another one fucking flying around, buzzing around. Buzzy McGee, fucking. Yeah, that's pretty fucked up. Millions of them. Invasion. I mean, the birds, Squat and Robbie, I can deal with it. Okay? But the fucking Hornets, it's gonna be fucked. Gotta be done. I'll be back, boys. Oh, bam. Fuck. Hey, come in. Hey, Connor. How's it going, buddy? Hanging out. Fucking hanging out. But, anyway, I'm looking for some, I got a real wasp fuck up.
Okay.
Looking to just annihilate a whole fuckload of wasps, man. You have any idea where the wasp shit is?
Okay, I have no idea where any wasp things might be. Check Garden Center.
Where?
Garden Center?
Garden Center. Oh, fuck. Man, bingo. Thank you, buddy. You're my hero. Alright, boys. As you can see, fucking tricked out. Got my goddamn utility belt on me. Got my fucking big time light on. Got my fucking flashlight on. You know? Look here. Got your fucking multi-tool. Never leave the house without her. You fucking pricks don't have nothing on you but your goddamn phones. What fucking losers. Got your fucking knife on you. Like always. You know what I'm saying? And thanks to fucking Connor. Oh yeah. Wasp and Hornet killer. Up to 27 fucking feet jet spray. Eliminates the nest. Non-standing fucking formula. Kills on contact. I mean, come on. What more do you fucking need? Go for a fucking drink? You know, just kills on contact though. Careful. Bam. Alright, so this fucking little whore right here states 27 fucking feet, and I'm just not buying it. Oh, it's a good sound right there. What do you say 27 feet is? I'm saying from here to there is probably about 8 feet, 16. whatever the fuck else. We're just gonna fucking see here. Fuck's sake. She fucking launched. God, you can hear it burn the fucking parking lot away. Right here is where she fucking quit. From here, all the way to the fucking car. Now that's some fucking power right there, boys. Fuck! We're gonna fucking get shit done tonight, baby. Those Wasp don't know fucking shit. Oh, but I'm a little thirsty. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh, never mind. We got reds. Bam. Alright, boys. Pulling into the fucking boat yard.
Nobody wants to get drunk and get loud.
Turn on the Hank. Sorry, Hank. God, I love this fucking place so much. It'd be pretty quiet. Because there's fucking people sleeping in boats up here, you know. Just like me. Like that guy right there who lives in a sailboat. Good man. All these hoses around here and everything. Buddy's watching TV back there, you know. Don't want to be too fucking noisy. Oh, shit. See how y'all were doing? Well, the Wasp didn't fucking eat the whole whore down yet. Thank fuck. Back right in here. God, that rig is fucking hot. Oh, man. Oh, how's it going? Oh, shit, got so much fucking shit to take up there. First, I'm just gonna go up there and see what's going on. Oh, damn. Oh, let's see here. Is fucking Squatting Robbie in here? Squatting. Hey, Squatting. I don't think he is. Fucking locked in here. There they fucking are. They're all sleeping. Maybe I can get them all in one shot. Jesus fucking Christ. Look at this shit. Fucking mountain of them. I'm terrified. I'll be back. Oh my fuck, I've never been so terrified in my goddamn fucking life. I don't know if I can film this right now. I really, really want to, but fuck. I gotta have fucking accuracy here. Maybe I can take the battery charger. Fucking put something over here. Maybe try and zoom in a little bit first. Oh shit. Alright. Go on double barrel. Oh fuck's sakes. Wish me luck, boys. Oh my god, there's so many. There's so many. There's so many. There's so many. Oh my god, are they dead? No, they're fucking crawling around in there. Oh my god, do I gotta go for part 2? Oh my god, there's so fucking many of them. Don't start flying off. They're starting to drop. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. God, I already sprayed so fucking much. But they're still fucking going. I gotta go for part 2. Oh shit. Oh my god, oh my god. I sprayed so fucking much. They're still fucking crawling. Fighting. Can you see this shit? I have no fucking clue. I'm not taking my eyes off them though. Oh, I'm so terrified. They're still coming up from behind the fucker. Most of them are fucking crawling around the goddamn fucking... Oh no. Do I have to go for fucking part 3, man? They're still coming out from behind the fucker. Oh my god, they're still fighting, man. Gotta go for fucking part 3. Fucking reload. Oh no. Oh no, I'm getting scared now. They're fucking crawling around down there on their fucking bed. Well, it looks like I'm not sleeping there tonight. I have to sleep right the fuck here. I can't sleep there. Too much fucking shit. Too much dead fucking cocksuckers. Part 3. Here we go. Hopefully this will do the trick. Die! Oh my god. Oh my fuck. I'm fucking terrified right now. Look at this fucking carnage. Look at him down there. You fucking fucks. Look at that whole pool of pus. Hear them fucking fighting for their life? Look at the fucking nest. Not happy, Bob. Oh, most of them on the nest are fucking croaked. Still twitching a little bit. Jesus Christ sakes. Fuck's sake alive. Oh my God. Oh my fuck. Well, of course, I don't get a fucking phone call all night, and right when I'm fucking in a goddamn middle of a battle, my old man calls me. The phone shut off. Fuck. I think it's over, boys. I think the war is over. I think. Is there still, like, are they still down there fighting around? Are they fucking playing possum until I fucking go to sleep and then they're gonna fucking kick my ass? Jesus fuck. Every one of those little dots is a motherfucker. Look at that shit. Look at the fucking pool of dead. I keep wanting to say the N-word, but I'm not going to say it. But fuck. Are they dead? Or are they twitching? I mean, this fucker says dead on contact. And I had deadly accuracy with that fucker. Melted half the goddamn nest off. Fuck, are they dead? I have no fucking clue. I think they're dead. They're not moving. And there's a fucking couple gallons of that fucking wasp killer down there. Probably killing me. Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck, boys. If I'm not mistaken, I think I just won the war there. I mean, like, we're talking, yeah, you know? I mean, what a fucking battle that was. Christ. Oh, there's another tiny little nest. They might get fucked later. Haven't made up my mind yet. Anyway, I think this calls for a fucking celebratory. Gotta have your fruits and vegetables, right? Fruits and vegetables. That's why I go for apples. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Bam. Oh fuck, boys, it's about 20 minutes later. Got all the fucking wasps the fuck killed. Got them all the fuck cleaned up. Got the hatch open so all the air can go in there. Kind of moved in here a little bit. No, I had to bring my fucking TV up here. Come on. I had to bring the boys up here with me. Not alone, I got the boys here. Got the fucking DVD player. You know how it is, boys. Couple of drinks, saw a couple of things. Fucking partying. God damn. Bam, boys. Spending the night on the fucking boat. Having a couple drinks. Watching the boys. Brought the TV up. Got the cord running in the window. Splitter. Battery charger down there. DVD player, TV. Boys. Drinks, couple reds, couple smokes. What a fucking party. Christ.
Is straight up from a U.S. Customs auction in Calais, Maine. You know what I'm saying?
Just be straight up with me. Is it hot or not?
Jules, just chill the fuck out and take this dope whip for a ride, Cracker.
Fucking disc 1. Oh, never mind. One more episode. Woo! I was saying, disc 1 of season 4, I thought she was over. She ain't. One more fucking episode. Bam. Cause fucking this horror right here, fucking disc 2, this cunt right here is saying that she's dirty. Oh, bam, my favorite episode of season 4. Bam, Bernie Sanford saying she's dirty. She's not too dirty. I tried my hardest to fucking clean her off. But she's saying that she's fucked. I'm gonna fucking clean her. Christ. Ugh, hello.
Are you alright, Mr. Leahy? Alright, Randy. I've never been better. I can feel it. Today's the day, Randy.
Bad. One more episode.
Today's the day I received.
But I also have season 6.
You know what else? I don't know how.
I actually have season
He's going down today. And we're gonna
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But I only brought season 4 and fucking season 6 up here. But also got John Wick 2, fucking Spooderman Homecoming, fucking Spooderman No Way Home. No, that's the new one. I meant Far From Home, fucking Falling Down, fucking Step Brothers, fucking Talladega Nights, fucking other guys, fucking Ted 1 and Blue. It's gonna be a fucking party tonight, boys. I'm telling you right now. Paintball target range. Hope you know that's fucking 12 bucks.
Which will keep Julian fucking happy and pay off my debt.
Boom! Those fucking wasps are rotten and well. Those wasps are hotting and real. Those wasps are rotting in hell. And look at me, I'm fucking partying. Nice and comfy, got me fucking blanker. Me fucking comforto from my own fucking bed. Couple fucking pillows. My fucking childhood TV. I'll never get rid of this fucking TV. I swear to fuck. Love this fucking cunt right here. But you know what the sad part is? It's a fucking TV with a DVD player in it. But I use the fucker so much that the DVD player quit on me. Ouch! I had to bring this fucking cunt up here, but anyway, I know I already had an outro for the video, but I had to add more. But appreciate it, boys.